Hello and welcome to our look at the upcoming Thursday, December 12th trading session. As you can see, I have the economic calendar in front of you, and Friday is very light. We have PPI coming out of the United States, anticipated to be 1.4% year over year. And then we also have the Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index, anticipated to be at 89.5. These are U.S. stock market moving events more than anything else. Really, not a whole lot to move the markets based upon that. So we feel that Friday is probably going to be a very technical session. As you can see, the S&P 500 has bounced during the session on Thursday at the 2020 level, an area we had discussed yesterday as being potentially supportive. You can just see it's a simple pullback to a breakout point, and then we bounced. We like buying calls on short-term pullbacks in the S&P 500, as we do think that ultimately we will go to the 2080 handle and then 2100 given enough time. We have no interest in buying puts. The S&P 500 is far too strong. You can see that the 125 level has, in fact, as we suggested yesterday, offered enough resistance to turn the euro back around, and now we buy puts on short-term rallies. We think that it will continue to be fairly choppy action as the downtrend line has held, as we more or less we're trying to form some type of channel to the downside. Do keep in mind, though, that this is the 12th we're talking about. We are starting to get kind of late in the month of December, and the later we are in the month of December, the more likely it is that we will see liquidity leaving the marketplace. We could get sudden moves in both directions. So having said that, we like buying puts. We think the euro goes lower, but we also recognize that we have to watch out for volatility. Looking at the gold markets, you can see we have fallen a bit during the session, but we have found some buyers here below, so it's been relatively benign as far as the pullback. We still believe the gold goes lower overall, though. We have been trending higher recently. It's not until we're above 1250 or so that we would actually consider a trend change. The US dollar is going to be paramount in what happens in this pair. Right now, it does look like we could probably sell rallies until we break above 1240. And with that, we've taken a look at the upcoming Friday, December 12th trading session.